MWMCA salutes Johns Hopkins University as a 2021 COVID-19 hero. We've all been learning how to live with COVID-19 for more than a year. It has affected all aspects of our lives, including our families, how we accomplish everyday tasks, how we conduct business and do our jobs. Our largest corporations and government agencies have had to learn how to cope quickly during the worldwide pandemic, implement the necessary solutions while keeping employees and customers safe. One of those institutions is Johns Hopkins University. Ronald J. Daniels has served as the 14th president of Johns Hopkins University since 2009. Under his leadership, Johns Hopkins continues its preeminence in education, patient care, and innovative discovery, and has received more competitively allocated federal research funding than any other university in the country for more than 38 years. Launched in September 2015, Hopkins Local is their firm and measurable commitment to expand participation of local and minority-owned businesses in construction opportunities, increase the hiring of city residents with a focus on neighborhoods in need of job opportunities, and enhance economic growth, employment, and investment in Baltimore through purchasing activities. The initiative also supports ongoing efforts to build diversity in Johns Hopkins workforce and among their business partners.
Thank you to the MWMCA on behalf of all of your friends at Johns Hopkins for recognizing us and our people. We're truly honored to be part of this remarkable group of honorees. This has, of course, been a profoundly difficult year for everyone. At Hopkins, we've worked to support our students, faculty, and staff throughout this time in which they have juggled work, caregiving, and serving in so many of our communities. The work of the people of Hopkins and our partners across Baltimore is nothing less than awe-inspiring. They have been integral in communicating reliable facts about the pandemic to the policymakers and the public, and have continued to fulfill our shared mission to support and sustain our city, our employees, and our neighbors. Stopping so many of our in-person operations so quickly at the beginning of the pandemic was extraordinarily challenging for our students, faculty, and staff who are used to doing their work together in our labs, classrooms, and offices. As we have gradually resumed our in-person activities in buildings, labs, and workplaces, we have been extremely careful and followed the best, most up-to-date public health guidance to make sure our community can be together again in person while maintaining the strictest safety protocols. Throughout this pandemic, we have continued our work, which we began more than 5 years ago, of more intentionally engaging local and diverse suppliers and contractors in an effort to ensure that we're meeting our purchasing and construction needs while also supporting those who live and work in our city. I've long said that Johns Hopkins is not just in Baltimore, but it is truly of Baltimore. Early in the pandemic, we worked with local officials to set up a field hospital, testing, and now vaccination site at the Baltimore Convention Center. But perhaps the initiative I'm most proud of is the East Baltimore Food Access Initiative. With partners from across the city, we quickly stood up a food distribution operation that has now served millions of meals and feeds thousands of families every week. It was the way in which our entire community at Hopkins and across Baltimore have stepped up, and it's been truly remarkable. But I'd like to highlight one of the new suppliers we've partnered with, a local Black-owned manufacturer called Citywide Youth Development, which employs Baltimore residents and youth. Thanks to this partnership, along with several others across the city and state, Citywide Youth Development was able to hire 20 young people to work full-time during COVID. It's one small story that could be multiplied many times over and exemplifies the hope and possibility of this moment, even amidst the pain and hardship.
Thank you, Johns Hopkins University. We salute you as a 2021 COVID-19 hero.